The first step in using this essay scoring service is to activate BHP Score. Once you've logged into the BHP website, you'll need to select Console from the menu at the top of your screen. Next, select the BHP Score tab. You will need to activate BHP Score for each class period individually. Simply click Activate Service. Before students can use BHP Score, you need to assign the investigation. Investigations are closed by default. Students will only be able to use the service for an investigation once you've turned it on, that is, assigned it. Once you've assigned an investigation, students will see a banner with a message to begin work on their investigation when they open the timeline view. Clicking the link will take them to Revision Assistant. If this is the first time a student has used Revision Assistant, they will be asked for profile information. From there, they'll be directed to the investigation page where they will find the assignment prompt. To complete the investigation, students must first read the materials. The first page details the investigation question, that is, the prompt. The second page provides the sources, the investigation library, students should use to craft their responses. When they're ready to begin writing, students should click the Start Writing button and enter their responses in the writing space. Like many online word processing tools such as Google Docs and Office 365, students can write and revise their responses online. Their work is not saved automatically, so remind students to save frequently. When a student has a draft of their essay ready to score, they can click the Signal Check button at the bottom of the workspace. They will immediately get a set of scores and comments based on two different types of feedback. Signal Check Rating, which is feedback focused on the essay as a whole, and Signal Check Highlights, which focuses on specific sentences. Once an investigation is closed, you will be able to download a class report within an hour. This report will detail class averages for each row of the BHP writing rubric and compare results with other investigations completed by students in the same period, as well as details for each student.